Welcome to the Document Mechanics series, where you will learn how to engineer professional reports using Microsoft Word. These demonstrations are recorded on Windows 11 Pro desktop computer using the Microsoft 365 Office suite. In this series, I will be working in the full Microsoft Word desktop application. My name is William E. Schlosser. Students call me Dr. Bill. Professional reports use technical language. Technical language often produces long phrases. To make writing efficient, professionals use acronyms. Bureau of Labor Statistics becomes BLS. Douglas Fir becomes DF. Forest Resource Analysis System Software becomes FRAS. Acronyms save space and time. But unmanaged acronyms create confusion. Professional writers do not eliminate acronyms. They engineer them. Acronym management is a professional writing discipline. The first time a term appears, you define it. Forest Vegetation Simulator, FVS. After that, you only use FVS. You do not redefine it. You respect the reader's cognitive load. This is the beginning of document control. We are moving into the realm of writing discipline. This is document engineering. Microsoft Word contains a hidden system that allows you to build an Acronyms Used summary automatically. We do not type this page manually. We build it structurally. When you define an acronym in text, Timber Investment Management Organization, TIMO, select the full phrase and acronym. Copy. Now go to Reference Ribbon. Index. Mark entry. In the top line, place the cursor and paste the phrase. Select the acronym from the main entry and cut. Place the acronym in the sub-entry row and click Paste. Click Mark Entry. Close the applet. You have now embedded structural intelligence into the document. You will now see strange bracketed text appear. Do not panic. This is hidden structural text. It does not print. It does not affect layout. It does not change the pagination. It is the architecture behind your document. You may hide it. Home, paragraph, show hide. The structure remains. Now let us see the power. Move to the end of your front matter. Type Acronyms Used. Apply Heading 2. Press Enter. Now go to References, Insert Index. Accept defaults. Immediately, Word builds an alphabetical acronym summary. It includes full definition, acronym, page number of first use. That was so incredibly fast. You did not type this page. You engineered it. This is professional report construction. Sometimes an acronym appears twice. When that happens, go to the page where the second definition was made. Reveal hidden text by turning on the paragraph returns. Find the definition and the hidden text of this entry. Select it and delete the extra entry. Be careful to delete only the hidden text field, not the written definition. Return to the summary. Right-click. Update field. The system repairs itself. Wow! Now you have managed document intelligence. Readers trust documents they can navigate. Acronyms used. Reduces reader frustration, improves credibility, supports long reports, and signals analytical discipline. This is a small tool, but it produces large professional impact. The acronym index builds your terminology summary automatically. Later in this series, you will build a figure architecture, table architecture, equation architecture, automatic lists, and structural pagination. All of these rely on the same philosophy. You do not format documents. You engineer systems. Once you begin building Acronyms Used system, you will never manually type the glossary again. In the next module, we will begin engineering figures, where visual evidence becomes structurally organized.